Here we are across the valley. Oh, look at that. I put a capital U in there. Drying. Oh, that's like Ohio University out. That's what it is. It's drying out across the valley today. And next couple days, very little rain chances. Highs in the 90s. Once in a while, I sneak universities in, apparently, and to the text. But hot temperatures here as we wrap up the last few days of summer. Some rain could return, I think, by Friday and Saturday. Our rain chances could get a little bump then as some tropical moisture increases across the area and kind of maybe some of the remnants of what was once Isaac coming through the Caribbean, but very weak. It's just kind of a blob of some showers right now. First 1-5 Doppler network dry this afternoon around the area, and things expected to be pretty quiet this afternoon. You might get those puffy clouds you see out your window building up briefly for a little shower in one or two spots, but no big rain expected today. Satellite radar shows hardly anything going on. Some puffy clouds, but you see the flow of the clouds coming in, the high clouds coming in from the north, and little puffy clouds coming in off the Gulf, but nothing able to really line up to give us any rain. Farther out into the Gulf, things are pretty quiet. You don't see anything really happening in the Gulf of Mexico. A couple of little spots of showers out there. Farther down to the south, you look in the Caribbean, that's the remnants of Isaac out there, but again, very weak. Not expected to come back to life, but is this little blob of some showers and some tropical moisture that will drift westward. Could make it toward the upper Mexican coast and South Texas coast by about Friday. So an increase in the moisture could spring a few showers into action, maybe a few thunderstorms in spots, but not looking for a repeat of what we saw last week. 10% chance for rain at best today and tomorrow. Might come up to about 20% on Thursday and could get a little higher, maybe closer to 40 or 50%. By Friday and Saturday. So, you know, there are some rain chances in there, but again, not a big repeat of widespread heavy rain anytime soon. 92 in McAllen, 89 right now in Harlingen, 89 in Raymondville. Temperature's pretty warm out there. It might feel kind of hot. You know, we've been kind of cooled off lately because of the rain, and now the sun's back out, and that's warming temperatures up. Also, the humidity's up there. You know, we have a lot of moisture on the ground. That's evaporating into the air, kind of helping to raise the humidity a bit. So dew points are kind of up in the mid-70s, upper 70s even in some spots. 77 about the average dew point. So very humid out there feeling, and there's also not much of a breeze blowing. So it will be you know, I meant to have some more graphics in there, but it will be a warm feeling day out there. So 95 today, chance for rain at about 10%. The heat index around 105, but most of the day is kind of just looking partly sunny out there. By tonight, temperatures drop down to about 76 degrees. You might see a little bit of patchy fog in some of those areas, especially with still some water laying around out on the roadways. Once you get out into northern Hidalgo County, maybe northern Starr County, where things are much wetter. So things, again, kind of wet out there, and that may lead to a little bit of fog with the light winds. I meant to show you Future Track. So here we go, Future Track. And this does show mainly partly sunny skies this afternoon. Notice how we don't have much rain, if anything, on the map today. Maybe one or two little spots of showers, but I think we're dry nearly everywhere today. And even tomorrow, you notice on Wednesday on Future Track, I wanted to show you that, again, it might spark one shower here and there in the afternoon with the afternoon heating, but mainly partly sunny skies. Thursday, the moisture comes back a little bit. That's why we could see a little bump in the rain chances by Thursday, maybe a couple of spots of showers around. But I think maybe Friday and Saturday, some of that moisture gets here. Those are your better rain chances. So that's why you see in the first 1-5-70 forecast, highs stay in the mid-90s next few days. Very small chances of a shower today and tomorrow. As we get toward later in the week, and temperatures drop a few degrees Friday and Saturday. And again, we're not looking for a big widespread rain, but there might be a few downpours Friday and Saturday as some tropical moisture comes in. High is still in the low 90s. Fall begins on Saturday. How about that? Temperature's not ready to fall quite yet behind it. You see highs back around 94 on Sunday, 95 on Monday, with the rain chances starting to drop pretty quickly again by Monday. So we will be tracking not much of a drop in temperatures yet, but we'll track those rain chances ahead in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.